Welcome, today in front of me OPPO FIND X3 LITE, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Now here, as can you see, we got a couple of sections. That's the vibration section. You can turn on or turn off the vibration on ring or in silent mode. Also, we got here the silent mode switcher. You can just enable the silent mode by tap here once on the switcher. Also, we got the volume panels here. You can change your media, ringtone, notification, and alarms volume just by swapping these dots to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, we got here the volume button function. You can change the ringtone volume to the media one, and now if you'll just press your up or down volume buttons here on the right side of your device, you'll just change, for example, the media volume. Also, we can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, and to change the ringtone and notification sound to others one. So we got here the another section with our sounds on our dial buttons that just turn on, and if you'll go here to our dial pad, and now just you can hear the sounds, and if we'll just turn off this option, you just can't hear these sounds anymore. Also, like else, the lock screen sound, the screenshot sound, the deletion sound, fingerprint animation sound, we can and touch sound. And now when you just touch your screen and for example you take a screenshot, you can hear the sounds, or you can just turn them all off. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.